Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The AI Cross. This is the continuity of second episode where we are creating a product idea starting from our idea till we will release this product on a website to get funding or even to create a ad and everything, which will sit quietly inside that pantry and it will remind you whenever any product is going low. So then our product name is JarGenie, product mockup, even a website, your intelligent kitchen companion that sees, tracks and manages your pantry. I think still it looks good. So today's session is basically the launch phase where we will go ahead and create some pitch deck for business proposal or basically to getting the fundings. We will create some product mockup. We will create the basically your landing websites, all of those things. It will be going to be very fun, very interesting.
Smart, autonomous, designed by AI, launched by AI.
So this is the product image which we have generated in our last video. It looks very good. So now in the first part, what we will do, we will go ahead and create some different kind of product mockup. So I have already drafted few of the image prompt. Now today we will be using two of the AI tools. So let me directly jump onto the mockup creation part. So there are few mockup I have already created. Let me go ahead and use ChatGPT for that. So what I will do, let me maximize this. Okay, so now what I will do, okay, so I will upload that image file which I have created already. So this is our product image. Now I will put this basically your prompt. So what I want to create here is how this product will look like when it will be sit inside a pantry. So that's what I want to create here. So let me put this. So what we will do, the same thing we'll try to do in another basically tool which is Perplexity. So let me use that same product here and I will just put the same command here to create that. Okay, so it's creating here. So in the meantime, let me go here. So let me just talk about this prompt. So what we are giving the prompt is use this image and put it in a place it realistically on a kitchen pantry itself, surrounded it with glass jar filled with common ingredients. So basically I will tell one thing, whatever more crisp and detailed image you want, the main thing is you have to enhance your prompt. So in any cases, be it a text related output, be it a image, be it a video, anything. So that's why you can, this is just I have kept for a demo, but you can add a lot of other parameters to this command prompt. Okay, so yeah, it looks so real. So if you'll see, let me just yeah, so nobody can figure out that this is not a real image, okay, unless until we will tell them. So this is kind of a JarGenie product which is surrounded by some of the real image. So I can just do one thing, just somehow shape this image so that I can use in the later part. Let's go to the ChatGPT. So I can save this image also. So now I have few other prompt, like let's say that packaging part. So packaging also, that's a, whenever you will put this product in your website where you are getting a funding and everything, you have to showcase everything, like how the product will look like, how the product will be basically in a package, how it will look like. So I'll put this. All the product mockup has been created. Let me show you one by one. This is one kind of product. So you can create a lot of mockup using this tool. I think mockup part we have already completed. Now we will jump to the next session where we will create a feature sheet and the value details of the product. Like a lot of product, I think all these things I came to know when I did some like research and analysis. When you are coming up for a product, new product and all, you have to have some mandatory documents kind of thing. Might be when you will go for a pitch deck to a investor or somewhere, they can ask for those things. So this is kind of a one page profile kind of thing for that product. So it will have different features, whatever features you want to add to that product, and a lot of use cases. Like I have already created a like prompt for that. What we will do, we'll go ahead to the ChatGPT and we'll paste that prompt. So this prompt is basically asking what else things we needed, like short product description, key features, value proposition, and everything. Okay, so I will just make here, I am building this smart AI powered kitchen assistant, this recipe like jar, everything I am putting, and I am asking to create a one page basically details. So same thing I can add for the other AI tool also. Let's see which one is giving a better result to us. Let's post. Okay, so this is a text result, so it should come quickly. So yeah, so it is giving JarGenie, your AI powered pantry assistant, the smart product description. It is giving JarGenie is an intelligent AI powered kitchen companion shaped like a sleek jar. It sits quietly inside your pantry and monitors surrounding food containers using built-in computer vision with real-time insights and voice command capability. JarGenie ensures you never run out of essential and never overbuy again. So these are some key features it has been pointed out. Value proposition it has been mentioned. Example use cases, text summary ready for JarGenie. Then it is giving okay, join this waitlist. So what I can do, I can copy this and I can put in any like document here, docs. Okay, blank documents, and I can put this. Okay, so I can remove this from. Okay, here I can put the header. Okay, this is kind of a, I can make little bit bigger size. Okay, so this is kind of a good one, I think. This is giving all the details. So what I can do, I can just export this as a PDF and it has been downloaded. I can mention this. Okay, I'll just rename this feature sheet. Okay, it's ready. So see how quickly you can do. You don't have to put a lot of effort, but yeah, you have to be smart enough. Now let's not waste the time. Let's go into the next part, which is basically your investor style pitch deck. So what usually I think every people might have already know this. So whenever we trying to create any business or even let's say any startup, any new product, we don't have enough money, right? We are very poor. Okay, so we usually go for getting this investment from investor. We attend any like seminars and all where we can give the presentation, and for that we need a professional presentation. So for that we don't have to do anything else, we just have to be smart enough. So now, so what I will do, I have used this command. What is the market potential for smart kitchen devices that automate pantry management and all? So I have got the list of all the things I want to have in the pitch deck. So this is, if you'll see all the details till here. So this is kind of a pitch deck information which I have put to the ChatGPT, and finally I have created entire details. Like I am going to use this tool. Let me just copy this and paste here. It is just gamma.app tool. I have already logged into this. So what information I should provide here is, if you will provide the details, it will create your professional slides. So for that, I have already got the information like what I should create. So slide 1, slide 2 till I have slide 10. Okay. So now what I will do, I will just copy this and I will go to Gamma and create new. I want to generate a notes outline. Okay. Home. I will just go new blank. Okay. No, sorry. Create new. Create from notes. Okay. I want to presentation. I am putting this. I am putting create a beautiful professional pitch deck for my product with below details. Okay. So now so now it's asking, what do you want to do with this content? Generate from notes or an outline, summarize long text or document, preserve the exact text. So what I can do, generate from notes or an outline, continue with the prompt editor. Okay. Now it has created. Okay, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, what it will put, it has already put here. Now I will click continue. Okay. So now what it will do, it will generate it. Okay. See the theme preview, I don't need. So which kind of pick a theme. So I want the gamma dot have to take a like own theme and it should create. So now it's creating. So if you'll see all these information and everything, it is creating their own image also. If you'll give to the right side, it will create the own image. So what I can do, edit image, I can replace this image. Okay, delete. Yeah, I think this looks good. I don't know how you guys are feeling, but yeah, now I can I guess export to PDF, export to PowerPoint. You can do anything. So let me export to PDF for now. Now our PDF is ready. If I'll go ahead, so yeah, this is still coming as the like made with Gamma, but yeah, if you have a paid version, you can change that. The hidden kitchen crisis, meet your smart pantry guardian, powerful features. Yeah, it took just 1 minute around and boom. Okay. So now we'll create a website. So this will be basically a one-page website where we'll have all these details like all these images and all. Then we can create this website like, I think name we can put any name of that website, that will be a different one. Then it will have some option like people can go through it and see the different functionality, see the product mockup and everything. And if you want a support, like people can support there by funding some money there, and people can, like any investor, they look into that site, they can come and reach out to you and come to you and they can help you to build that product. So let's not waste the time, let's directly go. So what I can do, I'll just mention here, I want to create an one-page website for my this product. Now create a detailed prompt to use in Claude. Okay, Claude is another like very interesting, very, I can say, user-friendly, okay, AI tool which can help you to build this website in a fraction of minutes. Okay. No, fraction of seconds also it can be done, but depending on the complexity. Okay. Now it will create that prompt. So we have a lot of images already created. Those images we can use so that it will be look like a real products and all. So yeah. So act as a product landing page designer and copywriter, blah 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 blah, everything. It is putting all the details and everything. Okay, all the details. Okay, now we got this. Let's copy this and let's go to the cloud. Okay, we'll put our product demo and pages, whatever product details we have. Now it's analyzing all the things and all. Looking at your JarGenie products, I can see this is a beautiful design smart kitchen assistant. Thank you. I'll create a professional product landing page that captures the sleek modern aesthetic of your device. Now it is writing the codes. I don't have to do anything else. If you guys want to take a break, you can also take a break. We'll just come back and see how beautifully that website has been designed. Okay, so we got the result. If you can see, this is the website it has created. Only thing is it has not used our image. So what I have did, I have just copied this code. This is a HTML code, and I have pasted in one of my file, which I have named as landing web page HTML. Then I have just changed the image locations. Like I already have those images here, like my details image, then I'm product image and all. Now I have, this is my HTML file. Now I will just click on this and this will be on website. Let me just do a full page here. Okay, so this is kind of features, how it was, join list, everything is kind of in one page. So if I'll go to start, okay, JarGenie. So your AI pantry assistant, so it is giving a nice like animation also of this product. Then smart features, it has, if you'll go to any one, it is creating basically like all these animation, small animation, and it is creating effortless kitchens management. All these images also we have added, seamless integration we have added here. Then join the like revolution you can put. You just need to little bit modify this, and if you have already bought a domain, you can just put it in that domain and your website will be live. Isn't it interesting? I hope so. Okay, now I think we have come to a like long journey. Now we have created the product ideas from a problem statement. We have done the branding, like product name, everything, features. We have come with the fact sheets and everything. We have created the product mockups. We have created the like our presentation slides. Now we have created a website. Now the next thing we will cover up in the next video. So if you like this video and if you have not watched the first video, go ahead and watch that. And let's come back for the last part, or part 3 of this video, where we will do some much more interesting things. It will be deal with some videos. We'll creating ad videos for TV, some posters and everything, and we'll be done with this product design. So see you. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.